And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Ow! 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 Ow!
I'll be back. Stop crying. It's not a tantrum work.
Always worked for you.
You be a good boy, okay? I'm leaving. Gotta be good.
Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room. This is a preliminary for what I hopefully will be recording later on, like this evening. It's July 1st, 2022. Better known as payday. So while the girls are out paying the bills, spending what's left of the money, boom, gone. I stay home. Mostly I wait for pharmacy to come and bring stuff. It's this time of the day on payday, that's the only people that would be coming is pharmacy delivery. And the taxi bringing the wife and daughter home. Yes. And the groceries, all that food. Okay, now, preliminary for tonight out in the shop. You may remember this. This screws on here. It is supposed to be a coupler for a Fordham flex shaft. So this could plug onto a Fordham compatible flexible shaft. This hole here, 16 thousandths, too small. Only 16 thousandths? Yeah, well, that's 16 thousandths too much, too small. Won't go on. I have two. I have a genuine 1974 vintage Fordham FlexAid. Won't fit it. I have about a 2000 vintage Procraft flexible shaft unit. Won't fit it. All my other flexible shaft handpieces, most of them are Fordham except for the Techno X and that L-shaped hammer handpiece are Fordham. They all fit the Procraft and of course the genuine Fordham FlexAid. This don't fit either of them. This is the squeaky wheel. It's going to get greased. I'm going to chuck it into 3-jaw, get it running real nice and smooth. I'm going to bore it out. Yeah, from looking at it, I'm pretty sure I can come up with a boring bar small enough to get in there. That was Pancho singing, "Why didn't you take me with you, Mom?" Well, it's payday. I don't know. So anyway, gonna bore that out, fit it to my flexible shafts. Then it will be correct. The detent ball is in here. You see it there. And there's the hole where the detent ball, was. And this, of course, is that spring that holds the detent ball and presses it, but allows it to move back so this can plug on and off, on, off, on, off. While the shaft is running, not at top speed. That's stupid. But lower your speed, you're gonna change. Okay, so that's that. Now, the Fordham flex shaft is the pattern that everyone who makes a flexible shaft wants to make a Fordham compatible handpiece, and of course the shafts and all that, and the motors. Because if your handpieces fit a Fordham flex shaft, it fits 99% of the flex shafts in the freaking world. Because everyone copying Fordham. I guess they found a good thing and they said, well, let's all do that. Except for this one, 16 thousandths, 16 damn thousandths undersize. I don't know. Some Martian copy company decided that they were going to make their 16 thousandths undersized so that you'd have to buy all of your stuff that they make from them. No interchangeability. Not in Poppy's workshop. I got my shear line lathe and a whole bunch of accessories in '95. $1,300 worth then. That was a lot. That was a lot of stuff then. Anyway, first reason I got shear line lathe and a vertical column and other accessories was because I wanted to machine gold. I was obsessed with making channels and other types of settings absolutely perfect. Machining de-wax, casting de-wax, finish machining de-gold, put it in place, setting stones. Second purpose for my lathe milling machine that was support my shop. Job shop shit like this comes in, and I have to fix it before I can work with it. You notice I said job shop. That's job shop stuff. Hey man, this is wrong. It's supposed to plug on to here. $100 job and a modest job shop. Bore this out, fit it to the shaft. Yeah. 1 hour job, but bang, at $100 an hour. Really. Okay, another thing. Like I said, it's July 1st. It's just about time for the weenie roasting and the fireworks shows. My advice to you Unless you already got where you're going, stay where you is. You get out of there. Damn fly flew into my beverage. Hope you enjoy it, bugger. Of course I'm going to wash that out. Hot water and soap even. Like I say, if you ain't got there already, stay where you is. They're canceling, plane flights. The congestion on the highways because everyone who isn't flying is driving. Probably costs you twice or three times as much for the fuel for your vehicle as for that airplane ticket that is expensive, and all that hassle to get there, and you're standing in line and suddenly ding 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 ding, ding cancel. You're screwed. So stay home. Go as far as the store where you need to go get the steaks and the beer and the charcoal. What else? Paper plates, more beer. Other stuff to make stuff to eat. Maybe other types of booze and more beer. But stay home. It's much safer, and in the end, it works out cheaper. Even though the local stores are jacking the prices on the steak and the beer and that, you're not using those hundreds of dollars of gas to get over there and overpay. You can overpay here at home. So, good night from California. Hey gang, Poppy here. Like I said earlier, I will go out and machine it and make it fit. Well, I did. There's a couple of JPEGs I drop into this video, but I got it to fit, and then I tested it out, and it works good. I am happy with it. Wished I hadn't had to bore this out so it would fit a Fordham standard flex shaft. But now it's done, and it works. And for $15 out the door, tax and shipping included, hell yes. And like I said, I tried it. It cuts that beaver board real nice. Oh, by the way, that bench, you see it with those two tool chests, that's beaver board, and it's starting to go like the Three Stooges horse's back. Watch a Three Stooges short where they get on the horse, the three of them. It starts out like before they get on. Anyway, good night from California. More pictures.